This is the Karcher NT48 professional vacuum cleaner, designed for easy pickup of wet or dry dirt. This simple machine has a 48-litre capacity, a single vacuum motor, and features a robust switch, front bumper, braked caster, and large back wheels for easy movement. On the back of the machine is a drain hose for fast and safe emptying of liquids without needing to tip the machine. There's also convenient storage for tools and suction tubes. The NT48 has a large carry handle on the top and metal clips to hold the container. Access to the large foam filter for wet use is very easy, and the machine also comes with a large area paper filter for use when picking up dry dirt. The machine's floor tool comes with brushes for dry use and squeegees for wet pickup. The machine is equally at home picking up dry or wet dirt, or even spillages and small quantities of flood water. The NT48 from Karcher, a simple, versatile and great value piece of kit.